Watching. Oh my goodness, you're really stirring.
Oh Lord, isn't he doing that good?
He's stirring so
I'll
good.
tell you. He is really getting it.
No.
He just wants to look at himself. He can't hurt him. We can always get a new one.
You think it's stirred yet?
Is it? Let's see. Oh, whoo! Mama. All right, add a little more of that to it. Yeah.
Go in there and see.
We've got it going now. Look, Daddy, how he's making Coke floats.
It's served.
It's done. Well, it sure is.
Why didn't I get this?
Well, I'll let you stir it in just a minute. Well, let's see if it's got. Reckon that's got enough ice cream in it.
Yeah. Oh goodness.
Oh, I want to stir.
Okay, I'm gonna let you stir. Let me get it. Let me get you. Here, let him stir this
All right,
a little.
just stir.
While I get on the straw.
Stir it gently.
I have 3 straws. Let me get a cup. There.
It's very
Why
good.
did you bring it up, Papa? Done.
Yeah. All
And
right.
I want the next one.
You're gonna get the next one,
Hey, I want the middle one.
baby. You don't. You did. She's only fixing.
Yeah, he's eat ice cream. Here you go.
And Isaac's hollering bite bite.
Well, here, come here. Here's your bite.
You want a little bite? Don't pour in much, Mama. Just a little bit.
Here's your bite. Is that good? Betsy Crawford looking at. I want you to know, Jean had a book up there. You want to sit down?
I'm good.
Can I sit down? She had a book up there that had Debbie when she was, well, Buzzy was a baby. It's maybe his size in a stroller. And I swear it was. She said, do you know who this is? I know that's me, but who am I strolling? I said, that's Buzzy. She said, it looks just like Isaac. And there's a picture of Buddy's daddy when he looked like about a 10 or 12-year-old boy. A spitting image of him.
Of Asher, yeah.